some part like freedom of speech, but not completely. Not completely agree with the freedom of speech and not completely agree with that part.
What part do you think? What part do you think is anti-national?
I don't remember the exact but yeah, when I saw the news and all the things, then I found that yeah, okay, people are looking for their freedom of speech, which is there in India, right? Okay, so they should be given that part. Okay, but you are in India, then you should not say anything about India. Okay, because that's your moral science, moral knowledge. Because that's the part where you are living. That's the place where you are getting all the things, and you are blaming that part of the country. That is not good.
So the thing is, like, first of all, we are not aware who has said what. All the videos which we have seen, like scripted one or something manipulated one. So whoever had said Bharat Mata ki barbadi and something like that is totally wrong, anti-national. But if you want to say something, you can actually organize some, like how they want to organize the meeting and all. They could have organized, but they had not told I don't know who you have told, whether it is ABVP or JNU, whoever had told it.
This is a part of politics, I guess. Because the people who were railing there, they were not into this thing. Because we have heard that many people from outside joined them,
yes,
and they put the slogan for anti-national things. Okay. So the thing is like for political use also there is something which is going on.
Okay, so there is a confusion that about videos,
right,
that they are true or not. Bharat Mata ki barbadi, Bharat ki barbadi is very good.
They must be okay, but we don't know that who was speaking that.
Okay, but Umar Khalid got on camera.
Yeah, 1 or 2%.
And he is a student of JNU only. And he said the same thing on debate with Arnab Goswami on right times now. So it's completely clear that he is supporting anti-national movement. Do you think that what Umar Khalid is doing is anti-national or freedom of speech? It's anti-national.
Intentionally is anti-national. Okay. He is intentionally totally anti-national. But the people who are joining him, okay, they are just blindly following him. Right?
Yeah.
They are just blindly following him. So that should not happen because you are living in a country, the dialogue from that movie, rather that if we are praising Pakistan, then we should not say anything bad about India. Okay, we don't have any problem praising Pakistan. Okay, you should, at the same time, you should not say anything bad about the country in which you are living, the country which is your home.
Don't you think there should be a limit on freedom of expression? Means how we can define freedom of expression?
There should be a limit, but it can't be controlled.
If people are sloganing against India, Bharat ki barbadi tak jang rahegi, or you suppose, yeah.
Because there are laws that whenever there is any anti-national comment, then the court can take any particular section, I don't remember the section, and they can put a case against that person.
Sedition charges, right?
Right.
Okay.
And do you think Umar Khalid is kind of terrorist?
Yes. Because he is leading the audience to wrong side. He is leading the people of India to wrong direction.
He is using his thoughts and words as a weapon.
Correct.
You want to say that politics should not be allowed in universities?
Politics is a good
Because
part,
what we are looking nowadays, that many political parties have their student wings, and what they are doing nowadays, they have left wing, right wing, communist and all there, and they're messing up. Because we taxpayer paying for their studies and they are not focusing on that. They're basically...
Politics is totally messed up. Whether it's in college or it is in
Like if you want to have politics in college, then it should not be the party should not be dependent on the actual outer sources. Like ABVP is dependent on BJP and communist is dependent on like the current party which is running JNU. So these all should not dependent on the outer parties or the central government, central parties or state parties.
They are not dependent.
I mean, they are the wings of that.
Values match with.
Actually, they are the wings of that.
The political parties are using them as their weapon to win the election. That's it. Because there is a complete force, okay. in college and hostels, there are many people, many students. Okay, so they are in their learning phase. So if they are getting good things, if they are getting good things from the political background, okay, they are getting power, they are getting that you can do anything, you go just and do it, we will give you money. So these political parties are pushing them to do wrong things. So they should not interfere in this college, in this college elections and all.
Done.
Right?
That's done.